we construct that reality, construct. ये दुनिया, ये संसार, ब्रह्मांड, universe, there is out there. It is very complex. It is open-ended, it is infinite. But we, in our mind, in our thought, which is expressed in language, we make sense of that and analyze, categorize. That is, the world that we talk about is a conceptual world and not the world as it is out there. Because everybody has the other way of... We don't have two persons, two friends who can agree on the quality of coffee. So the question of agreeing on what reality is a very, very big question mark. So there is a world out there and there is a conceptual world. And when we talk about the world, we are talking about the conceptual world. So we conceive and we conceive the world. The conceived world is conceived in terms of categories. Categories. And those categories, the sum total of those categories constitutes what we call knowledge. The world out there, as I said, it has three divisions I have indicated. I have indicated these three divisions on the basis of one of our thinkers, Rajshekhar, who says that the reality, to talk about reality, we have to talk about the cosmos, we have to talk about this earth, Jagat, and we have to talk about the Patal, the underworld. That is the world which lies under the earth, under the seas and all that. So three. And this, the categories that we use for these three categories, they are of two kinds. Two kinds. Categories of things which actually exist and categories about things that we postulate. Now, for example, Sukh or Dukh. Now, Sukh or Dukh is not something which you can quantify. You can't observe it, you can't see it. It doesn't exist. It comes and goes. It comes and goes. And in the same way, let's say, taste, experience, taste, or happiness, or sorrow. These are postulates. And in theories, in scientific theories, there are postulates. E is equal to mc square is a postulate. It cannot be verified in the laboratory. It cannot be. It cannot be observed. It cannot be quantified. But having accepted this and using it, we can describe infinite phenomena, physical phenomena. In the same way, in the aesthetic world, the theory of ras, for example, ras, bada ras hai isme bada ras hai. Now, ras is not an object. Ras is not a thing. It is not made, constructed. It does not come into being for you to see. You can't see. Then what is it? It doesn't really exist. But having accepted it, you are able to describe the quality of effect that a work of art has on the individuals. And you explain that. So it is a powerful explanatory principle. So categories are of two kinds. And this conceptual world that we create through intra-categorial structure, this conceptual world is our knowledge culture. It is in fact constructed by our knowledge culture. And this constitutes our knowledge culture.